Hey guys, Brandon back with another Facebook Live for Flyin Miata. Today we're going to talk about pedal covers. So we've been selling pedal covers for a long time. This is not a new thing, but we haven't really covered it before, so I figured we'd talk about it. We do have it for all four generations. The eagle-eyed among you may notice that there are only three here. The NA and NB are basically the same thing. The dead pedal is just a little bit different size, shape. That's the only reason. So why do you want pedal covers? Well, because they look sexy, naturally. And everybody is always looking down into your footwell. No, I mean, that's obviously a reason that some people would like them. That's fine. The reason that we like them, they are very grippy. They are actually kind of unbelievably grippier when wet than the stock pedal covers are when wet. So part of that is because usually when you have a machined part, and actually the pedal extension here is a good example. You don't really want a ton of grip here. It's got a nice chamfer on there. It's not going to catch anything, nice and smooth, all that good stuff. The brake pedal and the clutch pedal are not like that. None of the edges are finished. They're very sharp, so they catch the rubber on your shoe as you kind of try to wipe across there. Not super deep, so not to an unreasonable degree, if you will, but definitely some grip there. The other nice thing is that with all of the gas pedals, they are a little, well, varying degrees of bigger with these pedal covers on there. So I've got an ND pedal here, and this has lots of miles on it, as you can probably tell. But if you look at kind of the backside here, this is a good example. So this is the profile of the gas pedal, and then this is the extra bit of it there. So it just, if you've got your, let's see, here's our ND brake pedal. So if you've got your brake pedal, it's just that much closer to kind of do this if you want to do the kind of two sides of your foot, heel and toe, as opposed to the heel and toe method. But point being, it just makes it easier to get there, really kind of whatever method you're using. The ND, it can be a little awkward because it's a bottom hinge. As opposed to a top hinge for the other ones. It just takes a little bit of calibration in my experience. So this one has a bit, this is kind of our medium, if you will. The NC, this is bigger than the stock one, and the stock pedal actually kind of falls off over here. So this gets rid of that, so it puts a little bit more of a surface on there. For the NA and NB, this actually attaches behind the stock gas pedal. So the stock gas pedal is metal. There's no rubber cover. There's some kind of cool, neat looking holes in there. It's slightly more racer than just, generic plastic thing. So that's why we don't have a cover over the top of that gas pedal. But we do have this piece that adds to the gas pedal, again, widthwise for easier heel toe. Obviously pay attention, your gas pedal is wider, so if you have a tendency to get your foot just on the corner of the brake pedal, you want to make sure that you're not hitting the brake pedal and the gas pedal at the same time. And all of the gas pedal extensions are available separately. If you say, well, I don't care, I don't have a problem with my stock pedal covers, that's fine, but I do want easier heel toe, no worries, just get the pedal cover by itself. Let's see, installation, very easy. So the short version is if it's a plastic thing that it's going on, the gas pedal, the dead pedal, and actually here's an installed dead pedal. This is from an NC, also plenty of use on this guy. But if it's plastic, they're gonna be self-tapping screws. If it's metal, and we've got all the hardware here, but if it's, excuse me, if it's metal, it's gonna be a nut and bolt. On the NA NB gas pedal, we take advantage of the holes that are already there, so no drilling required. For all of the other pedals that are metal, there are no holes there. You pop the rubber cover off, or if you've got like an SE with metal pedal covers to start off with, you'll take those off, and then these go on top. And you can see we use countersunk or flathead hardware there, so that it's all flush with the surface. You can see the countersunk holes. So these are the grip holes, and these are the fastening holes. And there's no sharp edge on there because we're trying to get the hardware kind of inset. And this is a good example. You can see the screws are just a bit inset there. So complete set for, well, again, you can buy just the extension if you want, but all four is kind of the default: gas pedal, brake, clutch, dead pedal. Not available for automatics. If you want to purchase a complete kit and put the gas pedal and the dead pedal on your automatic, more power to you, but we don't have an automatic specific version. So let's see. I think that's basically my spiel. I've got a couple of questions here. Kyle, do we have any right now?
None so far.
Okay. So let's see. Questions. Why not just use grip tape? That's a good question. So if it's a race car, I would be hesitant to use grip tape on the dead pedal and on the gas pedal. Reason being, and the dead pedal is probably fine, but basically with the plastic, it's going to be more contoured. So there are going to be lots of channels for dirt to get into that adhesive and hurt it, eventually make it so that it may not stick. With the dead pedal, I'd probably be least concerned with it. With an NA, NB gas pedal, I'd probably be most concerned. That one's metal, but it does have raised portions of it. So the part that the grip tape would actually adhere to is going to be kind of minimal. So I'd be a little hesitant there. Honestly, I'd rather just leave the gas pedal alone in that case. That having been said, for the brake and the clutch, you've got a nice, smooth, flat metal surface. Yeah, sure, go for it. It doesn't look neat and all that kind of stuff, but whatever. It should be plenty grippy. You're not going to get the advantage of the extended gas pedal and all that kind of stuff. But you can also, if you're on a budget, you can kind of mix and match and say, well, I'm going to buy the gas pedal extension, but I'm going to use grip tape for the brake and the clutch to make it as cheap as possible. Awesome, no worries. And what about a 3D printed low profile dead pedal? That is an intriguing idea, not one that we had thought of before. Excuse me. Maybe. We will put it on the list for evaluation. It's a big list. Please be patient. But that is something that we will look at, because there's certainly some logic in there for the long-legged among us, especially if your torso is not that long, relatively speaking. So, Kyle, any questions now?
Nope.
Not too surprising, there are no questions. This is pretty straightforward. Not a whole lot to it. Travis, did you want to
Should we at least look at it in the car?
look at them in the car? So we've got them installed in Andy here. You may notice Andy is missing part of it. That's because Andy's gas pedal is right there. So apologies for that. Forgot to set this up ahead of time. There you go. So there you go. Pretty straightforward. I could talk for another half an hour if you really wanted me to, but you probably don't. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments while I'm finishing up my thing, and Kyle will let me know. If you don't have them now, but you have them later, drop them in the comments. We'll get to them as soon as we can. Follow us on the social, subscribe, do all the whatever socially things, and be back here Thursday, every Thursday, 2 o'clock Mountain Time for our next Facebook Live. And if you have suggestions for topics, drop them in the comments, and we will see what we can do.
Are there any plans for the NC?
Yes. These are the plans for the NC. So, yes, they exist. You can buy just the gas pedal extension if you want. You can buy the complete set. I will say the NC gas pedal extension is effective. It is the smallest and least beneficial of the four, if you want to look at it that way, but they are there. Travis, do you want to show? Nancy does have them in there. So you may notice this car is missing a dead pedal as opposed to a gas pedal. That's because its dead pedal is up on the thing there. So. All right. So good job getting your question in before we broke off. One more chance for more questions. Once, twice, thrice. Okay. Thank you for catching up with us again. Again, if you have questions, leave them in the comments, and we will see you back here again next week.